Listen up, kids. Inspiration is a lie. I mean, it's cool when it shows up and all. It feels great. It makes creating stuff really easy, but the fact is you just can't rely on it. It's kind of like a politician, you know? It shows up when it wants, makes a bunch of promises, and then faffs off before finishing the job. So then how do you create without inspiration? What do? Well, the answer is actually you work. I know, thinking about creativity as hard work is just not a fun thing to think, but the fact is most of your artistic output is going to be the choice to make whether or not you feel like it. What you make might not be any good, it might be slow, it might be messy, it might not be something you keep, but you are perfectly capable of creating without being inspired. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You go to work and you go to school not because you feel like it, not because you're inspired, but because it's something that you are determined to do. You need what comes out of it, education, money, etc. Well, your art is the same way. Your talent requires determination. Your talent requires you to put in the effort of choosing to create whether or not you feel like it. Just remember the Create at 22 principles. Make something, anything at all. Let it be small and stupid. You don't have to keep it. It doesn't have to be good. But as long as you are making something, you are training yourself to show up. You are training your body and brain that this is something you need resources for. It'll keep you from getting blocked, and it'll give you the ability to create whether or not you're inspired. You can do this. I know it's a bad habit to wait for inspiration. I've been there myself. But you can do this. Sit down with me now, no matter how you're feeling, and let's make something new.